Hello, hello. It's time for another look at another part of Q Acoustics' celebrated 3010i loudspeaker range. Today we have a pair of 3010i's from that range. These are the smallest and the most affordable bookshelf / stand mount speakers in the Q Acoustics 3010i range. Now, obviously, just because they are the most affordable speakers that Q Acoustics makes, that doesn't mean that we should expect them to be in any way compromised. We're going to get them out of the box and find out exactly what that money buys you. Okay, so let's find out what we've got. There is an instruction manual, which is always good if you want to know about crossover frequencies and magic things like that. It's all in the manual. It's all on the Q Acoustics website as well, of course. One speaker, wrapped and secure, and an equally secure wrapped second speaker. So we have a stereo pair, we have the instructions, the packaging, some port bungs. Really, what else do you need? So these 3010i's are in an Arctic white finish, as you can see, and if you've got one of those minimalist interior decor vocabularies that they tell me are all the rage, I'm sure these would be ideal. If not, they're available in grey, in black, and in English walnut as well. And in every respect, they come with matching grills, which are held on magnetically so that the front of the baffle doesn't have any unsightly holes in it. And you can take the sticker off the little badge here so that they're shiny from top to bottom. Around the back, there's a bass reflex port, it's quite a small one. There are some binding posts for proper 4mm banana cables. Q Acoustics voice all of their loudspeakers using QED speaker cable, just saying. Just because these are an affordable pair of speakers doesn't mean they don't deserve some proper speaker cable. And it's easy enough to get them close to a wall because these plugs are very low profile. Around the front then, there's a 22mm decoupled tweeter. There's a 100mm mid-bass driver. They've both got these nice chrome surrounds on. And around the back, there's some pleasing. So I find the circularity at the back here very pleasing. Maybe you don't look at the back of your speakers as often as I do. At the bottom here, rubber feet incorporated already because these are bookshelf speakers. They're nice and compact, and so if you do have to put them on a shelf, they decouple themselves a little bit that way, or there are fixings for a wall bracket if you're going to put them up on the wall as well. And I think it's worth considering for a moment just how exquisite these cabinets are. As I've said, these are the most affordable speakers in the 3010i range, but the cabinet quality with the curves and the smooth edges and the finish here, it appears far more expensive than it actually is. I think if you approach the majority of loudspeaker manufacturers and ask to see their most affordable stand mounter, it's not going to present as anything like as expensive as this. So that's the Q Acoustics 3010i. It's small, but as the man said, it is perfectly formed. If you want to know more about the 3010i or any of the other speakers in the 3010i range, you just need to check out the Q Acoustics website right here.